Welcome back to Fuzzy Orange Makes. I'm Ryan. Today I'm just going to make a quick project. It's a good use of scrap wood. What we're going to make today is simple little oven poles. I have templates on my website. I'll link to these in the description below so you can check that out. Real simple, real easy. You'll see on there I have 2 little center marks for each one, and that's to drill the hole. Like I said, great to use scrap wood. I've never made them out of plywood. I just took one of these and traced it out on here. So I'm gonna make some out of this interesting, almost bamboo looking, but it's not bamboo. It's almost like plywood that then they sliced and then used as a veneer. Anyway, should hopefully be interesting. So yeah. Simple project, only gonna take a few minutes, batch them out, and yeah. That's not easy. Here we go. All right, so I got all these. First step is to drill the holes. It'll be easier to do that before cutting it out. Put in a Batman sound. Here they are in their very rough form. Now we're going to bring them to the sander and even out all our mistakes on the bandsaw. Fear not, things will look better in a moment. I got the profiles all nice and sandy. Pretty happy with that. Couldn't get into these little areas here with the big belt sander. All right, so I'm gonna get in here where I couldn't get with the big sander with this little strip sander. And that should make short work of it. And then, yeah, just some final sanding by hand to get rid of the fuzzies. On my mask. The sander did about 90% of the work. I can pull these off. Okay. All right, we are all sanded down to 320, and yeah, looking pretty good, nice and smooth. A couple of voids in the plywood, but yeah, it's to be expected. Poplar looks nice. I'm going to apply some butcher block oil, food safe. All right, I'm just going to continue adding oil to the rest of these, and I'll be back later. And we're done. Pretty happy with how they came out, and I was able to make 8 of them. Yeah, and these make great last-minute Christmas presents. Each one maybe takes about 20 minutes or so to make from start to finish, and it uses some scrap wood. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for one of these. If you want a plywood or a poplar one, just leave a comment down below seeing which one you want. And I'll be picking one at random. I'll contact you and send you one of your choice. All right, thanks for watching, and consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. And hit the little like button, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Don't be tangled. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Huh. These are different sizes.